Hi everyone, my name is Amrozia Syed. I'm head nutritionist and lifestyle expert at Lucatino Holistic Healing System. Today I'm going to be talking about single nostril breathing. You may have heard about Anulom Vilom, which is the alternate nostril breathing where we breathe in a cycling fashion, activating two nadis. So we have two nadis in our system, that is the Surya Nadi and the Chandra Nadi. In English we may call it the sun channel and the moon channel. The two channels work continuously throughout the day and night and helps in various activities that goes in our system. So based on how you're feeling, especially in the daytime and in the night time, you can reap benefit by doing single nostril breathing. I'm going to be demonstrating the right nostril breathing first, and then we're going to talk about it, and then following that the left nostril breathing, and then we're going to discuss about that. When it comes to the right nostril breathing, all you have to do is place your hands the similar fashion how we do it in Anulom Vilom. We are going to block the left side and we are going to breathe in from your right, block your right and breathe out from your left. Same way, breathe in from your right and slowly exhale out from your left side. In right nostril breathing, we are continuously breathing in from your right side and breathing out from your left side. When we do that, we increase heat in our system. As heat increases in our system, it enhances your metabolic process. And when your metabolic process is enhanced, you automatically feel more energized and more active. So, especially in the daytime, if you ever feel lethargic or tired or really drained, practice right nostril breathing, because it will instantly give you energy to perform whatever activity or any work that you want to be doing. So it's advisable to do right nostril breathing in the daytime. Coming to the left nostril breathing, in the left nostril breathing, you have to do exactly opposite that you did in the right nostril. Close your right side, breathe in from your left, close your left and breathe in from your right. Let's do it one more time. Breathe in from your left side, close your left and breathe out from your right. When you do this, you're actually activating the moon channel, and as I said, it's exactly opposite of Surya Vedana. In Chandra Vedana, it helps in terms of cooling down your system. Once the system is cooled, it helps in terms of creating a very calming and relaxing effect, and thereby it helps in improving the quality of your sleep as well. So left nostril breathing is advisable to be done at night time, especially to have a relaxing effect, to improve the sleep. It also helps in terms of getting you if you want to get into a habit of going to bed early, you can practice left nostril breathing and thereby create a calming effect and you can sleep better. So it's not just helps in terms of going to bed early, it also helps in terms of improving the sleep quality. So practice left nostril breathing at night time and right nostril breathing at daytime to improve your energy levels. To add on more, the left nostril breathing is also excellent in terms of bringing the acid level down. So for people who have hyperacidity, can do left nostril breathing more often, because they will naturally bring their acid level down. Also, if they have a lot of acidity after meal, they can actually sit down post meal 20 to 30 minutes later, perform left nostril breathing to naturally bring their acid levels down. Similarly, left nostril breathing is also very good for high blood pressure, because it has a calming effect, because it has a cooling effect. So people with high blood pressure can do left nostril breathing in the daytime as well, when they feel their pressure is increasing or if it's very high. So based on what benefit you want to reap, do try the single nostril breathing and let me know about it.